Hello friends, have you been finding it difficult to fix your invisible zipper? Then this is the tutorial you need. You get your fabric, you stitch down your allowance and iron it. I've done mine already, as you can see in this video. So the next thing you want to do is to get your zipper and iron the teeth open. Okay, you want to iron the zipper teeth so that it will be open and easy for you to sew close to it. So it's time to pin our zipper to our fabric. Make sure to place your zipper stop at the edge of your fabric at the beginning, okay, so that you can easily fold it. So I'm now pinning my zipper down. When I'm done, I close it and see how it's looking invisible already. So let's go and stitch it down. Before I do that, I'll be fixing my zipper foot to make it easier for me to sew close to the edge, to the teeth of the zip. So I open my zip and it's time to stitch it down. I first of all place my needle at the teeth of my zip, then use my presser foot to hold it down before I start stitching. You want to take your time when fixing your zipper, and you want to be careful not to stitch your finger as you are using your finger to open the teeth very well. So be careful while doing this, okay? So I'm done with this side, and let me zip it up so that I will see what we have. Make sure you cut out your thread. So this is what we have. One side is fixed and it's looking neat. So let's go ahead and fix the other side. You want to mark where you stopped from the other side so that you can continue from there. So like I said, place your needle very close to your zipper teeth and use your presser foot to hold it down. That way you can sew very close to your zipper teeth. So you can use this method to fix your zipper on your dress, your skirts, to fix the zipper. You can use this method, okay? I'm just using it as an example. Now it's time to zip it up and check the outcome of our zipper, and it looks neat. I like it. So it's time to close up the remaining opening, okay? So just take note of where your zipper stops, then from there you stitch and cover the opening. So lift your zipper up to make sure that you don't stitch on top of it, and you stop where your zipper stopped, and that's it. So you cut your thread, so our invisible zipper is looking invisible, as you can see. So it's time to fold the remaining part of the zipper in. Fold it in, and you sew a little stitch around there to hold it down. That's it. And I'll change my zipper foot to do this. I'll change back into my normal foot, my normal sewing foot. So you tack it down. When you are done with that side, you cut it and do the same for the other side. And yeah, done fixing our zipper, and this is what it looks like invisible. So with these simple steps, you will always achieve a neat invisible zipper whenever you fix it. Okay, just take your time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.